Hello guys, as I have mentioned in the earlier video that we will be going to the paddy field. I am already on my way to the paddy field. Look at the background, beautiful background and sceneries. I'm in Honky right now. The community have all cleaned up the surroundings, getting ready for harvesting season. The paddy is over there. They are all looking so green and fresh. Partially it's raining. That is not cloud, it's rain. The paddy fields are ready for us. Let's jump right in. Pauki festival the lakpa mi kana chu yang bro video asibu. See, this is little bit of your art. And you are the artist. Ui khoi kun gi pakang nang bu ba dang ore down down down. The view, me and the view. Ta-da! बारिश हो रहा है यार, क्या मजा कर रहा है यार. Our favorite spot, no? You guys should get attached to this little heart already. Ngobi kale, sinre ngobile. We have reached to the paddy field and Rosa Park. It's a remna. Go. City bem here. Shira da kiru. The corn, the pumpkin. Bro, you're going wrong way. Please go back. Sidusi mo na ata. You are also going wrong direction, bro. Pumpkin. Hey. Come turge. Wish shuni pada ha. Sirake ma ha. Wiz ha. I should have brought a matchstick, guys, or a lighter. It's getting bored out here and lonely. Lonely, oh Mr. Lonely. It helps in bending the grain. If it grains like this, so it's good. Alright guys, finally. Sweet. Cái ta bị ra nào thôi đấy. Bỏ tôi đây thế. Ta lấy bro. Ta lấy bro. Ta lấy tê. Try no. Cucumber try no. Hello. Oh. We're here. One cucumber. It's already ripe. Muy creative. Oh. Literally, I'm inside the paddy field. Hiya. Marunong na lang. Wow, tan ko rin eh. Yan, boto lang. Hali biyo rin. Isa po yung achis na boto lang. Hey! I'm sorry, but thank you. Hey, I came prepared, guys. This is नमक लाया है. ये कुकुम्बर खाने के लिए प्रिपेयर करके लाया है मैंने. So this is it. Literally, I'm gonna clean it from here and start munching. I'm gonna enjoy it with the view. Stolen fruit tastes sweeter, guys. The smell. Satisfying. Very sweet. It's very small. Phone call. Now is not the time to talk. With that, if you are watching, that's your call. And you should understand that I can't take calls right now. This life is good, guys, and there's no doubt about it. Varm. Pupuk karaya. Did you find this video interesting? If you do, please leave a like. Please subscribe also. Well, I think that's it for this video. I was just trying to show you around the paddy field, the green fields. If I were a poet, I could write so many romantic poems, but so yeah, this is the condition in our village, in the paddy field. So yeah, guys, I think this is the end for this video. More interesting videos are coming up, so stay tuned, and until then, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.